Sairam, dear children, wish you a very good morning and I hope you all are well. So children, today we are going to start chapter number 15, Fun with Clay. Okay, so let's start the chapter and first we will do the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes and start. Sairam. Okay, just start the chapter. Once there was a Kothimbu. Kothimbu is a type of fruit, name of fruit. It was running fence by fence. और कोथिम्बू इज रनिंग फेंस बाय फेंस मीन्स कि वो नीचे गिरा हुआ था और ज़मीन पे आगे जा रहा था. ठीक है. देयर केम वन क्रो. बाय सीइंग इट क्रो वांट टू ईट द कोथिम्बू and one crow saw it and it want to eat kothimbu. Crow had opened its beak to eat kothimbu. It said. As crow tried to eat the kothimbu, then kothimbu replied, Bapu, you cannot eat me by dirty beak. So what did the fruit said? That don't eat me with your dirty beak. So what did he replied? First find some water and wash it. So Kothimbu said to the crow, just go and wash your beak. Crow went near the well to wash its beak. It said to the well. Now what did the crow did? Crow went near a well. मतलब कुएं के पास गया. ठीक है. और जाके बोला, well, oh well, here comes a crow, give me water to wash my beak. So what did it said to the well? That, well, oh well, suno, here comes a crow, that a crow is here to you. It wants some water to wash its beak, so I can eat kothimbu. It's yummy yummy. क्यों मांग रहा है वो पानी? Because it wants to eat yummy yummy kothimbu. Well said. If you want water, go to the potter, bring a pot, then fetch water. Crow flew away to the potter and said. Now well replied, if you want water, if you need water, bring a pot from the potter so that I can give you water in that pot. Okay. So now crow, what will the crow do? It will flew to the potter. So it go to the potter and said, Potter, oh potter, here comes a crow, give me a pot to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy yummy. Now the same thing crow said to the potter, that potter, please give me a pot. I have to put water in it, then I will drink that water and my beak will be clean and then I will eat kothimbu because it is so yummy. So potter said, bring some clay so that I can make pot. So crow went to timba, heap of soil. Okay. Now potter said कि पहले मुझे क्ले ला के दो तो मैं तुम्हें क्या बना के दूंगा? पोट बना के दूंगा. So crow went to timba. Timba, what is timba? In local language, timba is a heap of soil. Okay. Tiba or timba. Timba or timba, here comes a crow, give me clay to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy yummy. Now it is saying to the timba that give me some clay, मुझे थोड़ा clay दो, I will give it to the potter. Okay. And then the potter will make a pot for the crow. Then crow take that pot to the well and have some water, then wash its beak, then it will eat kothimbu because it is yummy yummy. So Timba said, take horn of deer who said no to you. Crow flew to deer and said. Now what did Timba said? कि जाओ हिरन जो होता है डियर, उसका एक सींग लेके आओ, मैं तुम्हें कब ना बोल रहा हूँ, और फिर मेरी मिट्टी लेके जाना. ठीक है. Dear, oh dear, here comes a crow. Give me a horn to dig soil, to give to potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Now it said to deer कि deer मुझे अपना एक हॉर्न दे दो, मुझे soil dig करना है. dig करना है मतलब soil जो है आपके जो हॉर्न है उसकी हेल्प से क्या करना है, उखाड़ना है. ठीक है. To give to the potter, then what will it do? It will give to the potter, then potter will make a pot, then it will fetch water and wash its beak, and then it will eat kothimbu, because kothimbu is yummy, yummy. Deer said, you come to me, take my horn, go and ask the dog, it will kill me. Crow went to dog and said. Now deer said कि तुम मेरा सींग ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन जब तुम ले जाओगे तो डॉग मुझे मार देगा. ओके. सो फर्स्ट गो टू dog and tell him not to kill me. Okay. Dog, oh dog, here comes a crow to scare the deer so I can take its horn and dig. अच्छा. डियर सेड कि तुम मेरा हॉर्न ले लो, लेकिन पहले डॉग को बोलो कि मुझे मार दे, फिर तुम मेरा हॉर्न ले जाना. ओके. सो क्रो वेंट टू द डॉग. डॉग, oh dog, here comes a crow to scare the deer. Okay. So I can take its horn. So crow is saying to the dog कि तुम जाके deer को डराओ so that I can take its horn. Then I will dig the soil. Then I will give it to the potter. Then I will it will make a pot. He will make a pot for me. Then I will take that pot to the well. Then fill water from the well. Then I will wash my beak. And then I eat kothimbu. It's very yummy. Okay. Dog said, oh bhai, I am too hungry. Bring milk of cow so that I can drink it and scare the deer. Now dog said that I am hungry. Please bring some cow milk for me. Then I will scare the deer. Okay. So dog also say him a work that go and bring cow's milk. He will drink it and then it will scare the deer. फिर वो deer को डराएगा. The crow went to the cow and said, cow, oh cow, here comes a crow. Give me milk to give to the dog, to scare the deer, to get the horn, to dig the soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Now what is the story? He is saying to the cow that please give me some milk. I will give it to dog. Then dog will scare the deer. Then deer will give the horn. Then I will dig the soil and give it to the potter. Then potter will make a pot and I will fetch some water to wash my beak, and then I can eat kothimbu. It's yummy. Cow said, I am very hungry. Give me some grass and feed me. Then take my milk. Then the crow went to bring the grass from the field and said. Now cow said, पहले मेरे लिए घास लेके आओ. Now crow went to the field. Field यानी खेतों में गया. And saying to the field, oh field, here comes a crow. Give me grasses to give to the cow, to fetch milk from it, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get the horn, to dig the soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Now what is the crow saying to the field? That give me some grass. I will feed it to the cow. Then cow give me milk. I will give it to dog. Then dog drink it and scare the deer. Then deer will give me the horn. I will dig the soil and give the soil to the potter. Then potter will make a pot. Then I will fetch some water in it and I will wash my beak. Then I will eat the kothimbu. It's very yummy. Field said, oh bhai, bring sickle from blacksmith and cut the grass. And crow went to the blacksmith and said. Now what did the field said? That brother, bring a sickle. What is sickle? A sickle is a ornament, or a sickle is a type of thing that is used for cutting the grass, or reaping instrument. Okay, so grass cutter you can say, and its shape is like this is of wood, ओके, एंड दिस इज ऑफ आयरन एंड दिस इज सिकल। घास वगैरह काटने के लिए या फसल काटने के लिए काम आता है। ओके, सो क्रो वेंट टू द ब्लैक स्मिथ। हु इज ब्लैक स्मिथ? लोहार जिसे कहते हैं, जो लोहे का स्टील का काम करता है। ब्लैक स्मिथ और ब्लैक स्मिथ, ब्लैक स्मिथ, ब्लैक स्मिथ और ब्लैक स्मिथ, here comes a crow, give me sickle to cut grass, to give to the cow, to fetch milk, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get the horn, to dig the soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbo, it's yummy yummy. Now what it is said to the blacksmith? Blacksmith, give me a sickle, I will cut grass and feed it to the cow, then cow will give me the milk and I will feed it to the dog, then dog will scare the deer, then I will take the horn and dig the soil and give it to the potter, then potter will make pot and I will fetch water to wash my beak and then I eat kothimbo, it's yummy yummy. Blacksmith said, take this sickle. Crow took the sickle and went to the field, and it took some grass and fed to the cow. Now what did the crow did? Take the sickle from the crow. What did the crow did? Take sickle from blacksmith and cut the grass. First it fed to the cow, then cow gave milk, then the dog drink the milk, and the dog ran to scare the deer, so it gave a horn. So deer was afraid, so it gave the horn. Then with that horn the crow dug the soil. Now what did the crow did? Dig the soil and give it to the potter. Potter make a pot. Then the crow had fetched water and washed its beak and ate kothimbo. And this is the story that how much hard work did this crow did to eat the yummy yummy kothimbo. Okay, in this way the crow ate the kothimbo. So this is a very interesting poem and story, and question answer I will send you the PDF, children. So let's discuss before. Why did the crow need a pot? To put water and wash its beak. Who all helped the crow to make the pot? The sickle, the blacksmith, sickle, cow, dog, deer, and the timber, then potter. Okay, everyone, all these helped the crow to make the pot. What did the potter need? The potter need a pot to fetch the water. What things did the potter need? The potter needs a pot, then clay to make the pot, then deer's horn to dig the soil, then a dog to scare the deer, and cow milk to feed the dog, then grass to feed the cow, and then sickle to cut the grass, and then he borrow a sickle from the blacksmith. Are there utensils made of clay in your house? Which are these? Do you have any utensil made of clay? मिट्टी के बर्तन आपके घर में हैं तो वो कौन से हैं? Okay, I will tell you the answers in the PDF. A bowl from a ball of clay. How can you make a bowl from a ball of clay? So knead clay and make a big bowl. सबसे पहले clay को भिगो लो, उसको गूंथ लो, then make a big bowl. Using thumb you can make a small pit at the center by pressing, and so it looks like a ball. Now what you can do? You can make a small pit using your thumb and press, and then you can make a ball and leave it to dry and then decorate it. और इसे सुखा के इसको क्या करो? Decorate करो. You can put things you like in this ball, and you can put many things. Okay. A ball from a roll of clay. Now need some clay with water. Okay, same, you need some clay, then you can keep aside some clay mixed with water, then these will serve as a glue. Okay, and that clay will work as glue to bind the other pieces you need of the needed clay. थोड़ा क्ले जो है आपको गीला करके रख लेना है, वो बाद में जब आप क्ले नीड की हुई क्ले से कुछ बनाएंगे तो उन्हें चिपकाने में काम आएगा. टेक ए पार्ट ऑफ नीडेड क्ले एंड रोल इट लाइक अ थिक चपाती, और थिक चपाती की तरह उसे रोल कर लें. देन these will be the base of the ball and roll the rest of the knead clay like a snake. ओके, बाकी की क्ले को स्नेक की तरह बना लें. ठीक है. देन fix the snake shaped clay on the base and to make a pot as shown in the picture. और जिस तरह पिक्चर में दिखाया है उसका क्या बनाएं, एक पोट बना लें. सो ए पॉट फ्रॉम ए चपाती ऑफ क्ले. क्ले आप क्या करेंगे, नीड करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नीड द क्ले, देन यूज देन press it. Okay, then with the help of a knife cut it and make a round structure, then place that pressed clay on it. ओके, इस पिक्चर में दिखाया है जैसे बेक की हुई चपाती को जैसे हम रोल करते हैं वैसे कर लिया इसको प्लेन, एंड देन इसको हम प्लेस कर देंगे इस पिक्चर में दिखाया है वैसे. और इस तरीके से हम क्या बना लेंगे, एक स्टैंड बना लेंगे क्ले का, चपाती ऑफ क्ले बना के उसका एक स्टैंड बना लेंगे. ओके, सो चैप्टर इज completed. I will send you the question answer PDF. Okay, complete your chapter and send pictures of the homework to me. Okay, all the best, take care, be safe and stay at home, and please watch the video.